Welcome to our guide on assigning and managing prepaid jobs using the Logistifie software dashboard. Let's walk through the process step by step. Find the job you want to assign from the list. Click on Assign next to the job, then select the driver you want to assign it to. Once you've made your selection, click on Assign to send the job notification to the driver's app. The driver will receive a notification on their Logistifie driver app, and the job status on the dashboard will update to Allocated. You can click on the job to view all the details and ensure everything is correct. The driver will see the new job request on their app with all the trip details. They can click Accept Job. On the dashboard, this will also update and the status color will change to purple to indicate the trip's progress. In the Login app's dashboard, the status will change to Accepted. As the driver starts the trip, they should click Onway Start in their app. This status update will reflect on the dashboard and change the table's color to red. The status on the dashboard will be Onway. While Onway, the trip is trackable in the software maps, with details like driver's name, job number, last tracked GPS and more. On the Login app, it is also updated to Onway. Here the trip can be tracked by clicking Track on the same dashboard table, where you will also find trip details. When the driver arrives at the pickup spot, they should click Arrive on their app. This will change the status color on the dashboard to yellow, indicating that the driver has arrived. You can also go back to the Login app to see if the driver's status has been updated. Once the passenger has boarded, the driver should click POB, Passenger on Board. This update will also reflect on the dashboard, changing the color again to show the updated status. And again on the app's dashboard the status will change to POB. After the drop-off, the driver should click Clear and check the confirmation box to confirm that no items have been left behind. The cleared trip will be visible on both the software dashboard and the driver app. If you need to add any extra notes, you can do so and then click Complete Ride. This completed trip will appear in the Completed Ride section. On the dashboard, the table will change to green to indicate the trip's completion. You can also find the cleared trip in the Cleared Bookings section of the software. And on the app, it will appear under Completed. Click View on the action table to check all the trip details. Back at the dashboard, you will find the details of the trip including the job number, job date and many more details including the payment type, which in this case is prepaid. In prepaid, the only driver amount will show in the driver app. In the Logistifie software you will see two amounts. One is driver payment, other is client service payment. And the total payment of the client include taxes will show in dashboard. This process is for a prepaid job in the driver app as well as the dispatch software. And that's how you manage prepaid jobs on the Logistifie dashboard. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.